Hi students, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to study properties, composition and industrial applications of engineering materials. So this properties, composition and industrial applications of engineering materials, which is there for the first year students, those who are studying engineering. So basically for the C cycle students in module number 4, so these topics are included. So before selecting any material for particular application, we should know its properties, its composition before selecting any material for particular application. Let us say if I want to manufacture a tool, either it may be a single point cutting tool or multi-point cutting tools. First we should know what are the properties that a tool should have, and that properties are available in which material. That is very important. And composition. So in this video we are going to deal with those things. Okay, and I am Girish Kallihal, and if you are watching this video in my channel for the first time, click the subscribe button just below this video and press the bell icon next to the subscription button, so that you will get a notification whenever I upload the new videos to this channel. Let us begin the video. You can see engineering materials. As you can see, the substances which are useful in the field of engineering. Okay, the substances which are useful in the field of engineering, those we call it as engineering materials. Okay, let me say, if I you can see here, the substances which are useful in the field of engineering are called as engineering materials. That means whatever the materials we are using, especially for engineering applications, so those are called as engineering materials. Okay, and a particular material is selected, that is on the basis of the following considerations. So that means whenever we need to select a material for particular application, we should look for some of the parameters, or we need to consider some of the factors before selecting any material. Let us see what are the factors or what are the parameters that we need to look or that we need to consider before selecting a material for particular application. Okay, as we can see, the first thing we need to look, that is, you can see here, the properties of material. So before selecting a material for particular application, we need to understand what are the properties of that material. Either it may be a mechanical property, or it may be a physical property, or it may be a chemical property, or it may be a manufacturing property, and so on. Suppose I want to select a material for particular application, then we need to understand what are the properties of that material. And the second thing we need to consider is cost of the material. Cost of the materials plays a very important role while selecting a material for particular application. The first thing is properties of the material, and the second thing is cost of the material. And the third thing is availability of the material. Whether the material is available abundantly, easily, that we need to consider. If the properties of the material are very good and cost of the material is very less, but availability is lesser, then it is very difficult to select that material. Availability plays another important role while selecting the material. That means a material should be available abundantly, easily. And the next one is a service in life of the material. Service in life means whenever we need to select, say whenever if I select a material for particular application, that material should give a service life. That means life of that material should be very high. Service life of the material plays a very important role while selecting the material. The next parameter is, that is, appearance of the material. So appearance of the material plays a same important role as that of the previous properties, the previous factors. So these are the things we need to consider before selecting a material for particular application. The first one, properties of the material. Second one, cost of the material. Third one, availability of the material. Fourth one, service in life of the material. And the last one is appearance of the material. These are the important factors or the parameters that we need to consider before selecting any material for particular application, especially for engineering application. Okay, so there are so many factors which are there. So among them, these are the very important factors we need to consider before selecting the material. Now let us see, in the next video I am going to explain how the engineering materials are classified, what are their compositions, and what are the industrial applications of those materials. Okay, if you like this video, just press the like button, share with your friends. If you want more videos, such type of videos, comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.